Good morning. Again, this is my rosemary herbs plants here at the backyard of my garden. Really looking gorgeous. The reason I love to take this pretty quick short video again, just because this kind of flowers of my rosemary herbs plants won't take any long last. Soon it will dropping down the ground, this kind of flowers and petals, things like that. So I just want to take advantage by taking some pretty quick short video again. That's because I feel happy by watching this. It's really gorgeous because when I was planting this, can't remember many years ago, it was started into the very little plants really, and it's all about cutting from the mother of plants, and the mother of plants is come from my friend's garden. So I asked them to give me a cutting, and this is what it is, and planted it through by cutting, and it just rooted it by itself really. It's part of being hardy plants because I don't have to do looking after very much on this, especially during the heavy winter time. I just leave it, and during heavy summertime of course I have to give some bit of water. Yeah, and it's really looking gorgeous. Really, I love this kind of plants. Yeah, you can boil this through by cutting and make it as a drinking tea as well if you feel like it, and actually it's really good for you, or mix the leaves plants into mix it, I mean take some few leaves in there and mix into your cooking food, cooking meal as well. Really looking nice and really tastes good as well because I like drinking tea on this, and this is why the reason I love this kind of plants, because when I have my time or chance I just take some cutting to it and then boil it and drink it, things like that, as a part of my herbal tea, something like that. Really good to have it into my garden. So I had to take good care on this now, just because it's pretty useful having it for my drinking tea as well. Anyway, this is part of hardy plants, so I quite love it too. Because hardy plants, it means it's make you a little bit kind of easy as well, because you don't have to make so much an effort for this, especially during winter time. But the heavy summer time, you only have to give them water. Of course, that's pretty normal anyway. But I don't put any kind of fertilizer to it because it's being part of hardy plants. No need uh, to give any kind of fertilizer. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and bye for now. Bye.